Imagine you're faced with a common problem. You need to search through a bunch of text files in various subfolders to find URL links. The ultimate goal is to compile all these links into a single file for easy access. A pretty handy task, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. The key lies in using PowerShell commands to streamline the process. By utilizing the code snippet precodeGet-ChildItem recurse file filter, *.txt select string pattern, https ftp file / azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore colon comma dot plus azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore code pre, you can efficiently scan through all the text files and pinpoint those valuable URL links. Expanding on the solution, the next step involves enhancing the command with precodeGet-ChildItem recurse file filter, *.txt select string pattern, https ftp file / azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore colon comma dot plus azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore ForEach-Object $_Matches.Value code pre. This addition allows you to extract and display the identified URL links from the text files, making it more organized and accessible. Continuing with the solution, a slick move is to further enhance the command by appending precodeGet-ChildItem recurse file filter, *.txt select string pattern, https ftp file / azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore colon comma dot plus azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore ForEach-Object $_Matches.Value and GT results.txt. This step directs the extracted URL links straight into a results file, keeping everything neat and tidy for future reference. Lastly, to wrap it all up, a savvy move would be to refine the command even more by using precodeGet-ChildItem recurse file filter, *.txt select string pattern, https ftp file / azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore colon comma dot plus azazi09 plus and aep at hashtag \% equals underscore ForEach-Object $_Matches. Value while file path, results.txt codepra. This final touch elegantly stores all the URL links in a dedicated results file, ensuring easy access whenever needed. And there you have it, a seamless solution to efficiently extract and compile URL links from multiple text files. Remember, efficiency is key when tackling tasks like this. So, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this nifty little script. Because hey, why make things harder than they need to be, right?